Can you tackle these challenging riddles? Yona's father had 3 children. He named the first Afal. He named the second Befal. What is the name of the third child? Answer is Yona. I have 1,000 needles but I do not sew. What am I? Answer is a porcupine. I go around in circles, but always straight ahead, and never complain, no matter where I am led. What am I? Answer is a wheel. I give milk and I have a horn, but I'm not a cow. What am I? Answer is a milk truck. It flies around all day but never goes anywhere. Who am I? Answer is a flag. What is it that after you take away the whole, some still remains? Answer is the word wholesome. Name the next letter in this sequence. JFMAMJJASON. Answer: the letter D. The sequence contains the first letter of every month, in order. What has many words but never speaks? Answer is a book. I have hundreds of wheels, but I do not move. You call me a lot. What am I? Answer is a parking lot. A parking lot has hundreds of wheels in the form of cars, but the cars themselves do not move when they are parked. I am alive without breath and cold as death. I am never thirsty but always drinking. What am I? Answer is a fish. I am a gift that is given freely, yet I am also priceless. What am I? Answer is love. I am a bridge that connects the past, present, and future. What am I? Answer is memory. I am the beginning of everything, and the end of nothing. What am I? Answer is infinity. I am the beginning of everything, and the end of nothing. I am the measure of all things, yet I am without measure. What am I? Answer is time. I am a force that is both powerful and fragile. I can build up or tear down. I can create or destroy. What am I? Answer is words. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.